Hello everybody, today to tell about 10 for the 40. Have you watched 10 trees at 30 just like I did just before? Today, now I have 10 for the 40. So, first is music activity 1. Activity 1. Choose A or A. When a word starts with a vowel, apple or N.
What is the vowel here?
A.
And what is the vowel in orange?
O.
Yes.
May I have a bottle?
Is bottle a vowel?
No.
B.
B. No. O. Water, please. We will need an umbrella. Rainbow 7. What is the first color of the rainbow? Red. R E D. So 4 is which direction sun rising? East. So in which direction sun sets? West. Now activity 3, an action similar relation. So day is to sun as night is to moon. Sides, 3 sides is to triangle, as 4 sides is to square. Is to stop, as green is to go. Glove is to hand, as sock is to foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my foot.
Next page.
Yeah. So the next is 4. Activity 4. Circle the letters who have only straight lines, no curvy lines. So A. Yes, curvy lines. Yes, curvy lines. F has straight line.
E also have straight line.
Straight lines. G has curvy lines. Straight lines. So I have J has curvy line, K has straight line, and R has straight lines, and so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. These are the weak missing letters. Sun. What comes here?
With nus S.
S. Q.
First. TH.
H. Friday. Saturday. Welcome back. So find the circles and so 6 is find the circles and squares in the following pictures. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7.
Yes, 7.
So that one. So now square. 1, 2, 3. So which is more than this one? So we have to pick it.
Very
Copy
good.
the shapes. So what kind of and then do like that. 3 like that. 3 like side and 1 and squat. So like 1 down to the ground. Like down to the ground. So I want to get 10. So
It's like K.
it's like A. So now let's now this one thing. That's it. So I take
What do you get from the trees?
trees.
Milk or fruits? You have to choose from there.
Fruits. Lemon is a fruit. Like I asked from Alexa. Alexa, my computer. And then is a vegetable. We have lunch dinner. We have lunch in the afternoon. Okay? We so sing around which has a body part and words. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and ears, mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes. Draw a rainy day. Exercise. Cloud and raindrops. So this is 10 for our